It's KDM, and today one of the coolest outfits in the game. We're unlocking Jake's Star outfit. 30 keys, adding it to the wardrobe. Look at those sneakers, I gotta have them. Let's do it, 30 keys. Nice. You unlocked Star outfit. Jake, you just got blinged out. You're a star. You got headphones, you got cool sneakers, your legs look like twigs. That's none of my business. Don't skip leg day, bro. Alright, let's take him on the course and see how he looks. Let's put him on the StarBoard because they're both stars. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Let's do it.
Hi.
Awesome. I wanted this nice little Jake upgrade for a while now, and I found it. We got a good combination going. We got a star outfit. We got it all, man. We got it all. Unlocking star is gonna help me go far. Know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Man, unlocking this outfit really makes me feel like a star. Right? Right? KDM was always a star in the making. Ever since the day I was born, it was my destiny. Well, with moves like that, I'm not going to get very far with star. Yep, just one step closer to unlocking everything in the game. Unlocking cool things. I'm a cool guy. So far, so good. Tell me what you think about Jake's star outfit in the comments. It's not like you 100% have to, but you know, you should do it anyway. Because KDM kind of said so, but not forcefully, you know. I make no sense today. KDM is the man with the plan, you know. A plan to obliterate this game by unlocking everything. Oh my. Okay, I'm in shock of what just happened. But you know, that was a good test run. I'm satisfied with that. Let's open this box. Alright guys, that was the unlocking of Jake's star outfit. If you like this video, you should definitely leave a like. And I hope you have a great day. Yeah!